guys, it's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So today the team and I traded BAS, so we call it BAS. It's Basic Energy Services Incorporated. So this was triggered based on an alert I set at a 52-week low, which was 60 cents. It actually triggered it as of yesterday, but it continued to drop. And it wasn't really building any support. So we thought it had a support at 55, and then today the market opened and continued to drop. It dropped about another almost 15 cents. But pretty much what I told the team is, keep your eyes on BAS, set your alerts, and make sure you trade only according to when you see, upward momentum in a sense of, that it's not going to continue to drop overall, just so we can secure our gains. That's essentially what we did. I mean, when you look at BAS overall, within a year, you can see that it's been in a constant decline in a sense, but there's been a lot of spikes, and that's essentially what we want to trade. It's been in the red mainly for the past 4 months, but that's not too bad. I mean, we're day traders, so we're buying in and buying out at the same time. It was hitting 52-week lows, so with that we thought we had a lot of volume to work with, and the volume was great today. And when it continued to drop, we're expecting for it to build a support. We didn't know if it was going to do it today or do it, tomorrow. But luckily, we were able to, know that, or figured out that there was going to be a support at 43, and we didn't figure that out. All we did was, we waited for the price to start picking up. We wanted to see upward momentum to ensure that when we buy in, that the stock is going to continue to rise, and the only way it has to move is, up. So with that being said, we waited for the upward momentum. We saw that it had a good support at 43 cents. Once it passed 45 cents, then that is kind of the signal that it's going to continue to rise, and that's essentially what it did. It continued to rise, broke the 47 resistance, broke the 49 resistance, actually hit highs of 53, which is actually where it opened today. So it just created a nice little V, which is exactly what we want to see when we're day traders. We want to make sure that we let the stock drop, we buy in, and then we ride it back up. And it worked out perfectly for us today. There's a total 25% potential when you traded BAS. There's a couple members that were able to lock in, their 10% profit. But it was just great being able to, network with these like-minded individuals. And they're so motivated, keeping each other up to date. Or if that's something that you think that you'd like to be a part of, it is a free group you can join. I designed it essentially as a networking group, so it's called TechBud Solutions. You can join us for free on Facebook, and you could also join our GroupMe application, which is where we trade actively and share our opinions on different stocks and different investments. And yeah, we'd love to be a part of your success. And if that's something that you think you'd be like to be a part of, or someone that would benefit from being in this type of group, please feel free to like the video and share it if you can, as we'd greatly appreciate your support. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to put my email down below, as well as links to my social media. And then yeah, let's make sure that we end the week in the green. I'm at 100% success rate so far this week, so it feels really good, just being able to lock in those profits. So thank you guys again, and I hope you guys have a good Thursday.